the World Health Organization is now calling the outbreak a global health emergency. 213 patients in China have died from the virus, more than 9,600 confirmed cases worldwide. And here in the United States, there are now 6 confirmed cases. That number includes the first human-to-human transmission. A man in Chicago was infected after his wife returned from Wuhan, China, where the epidemic began.
Well, the coronavirus is certainly overshadowing a much deadlier virus that's here in the U.S.
KPIX 5's Da Lin live at SFO with some perspective tonight. Da?
Veronica Allen, there's a lot of hysteria and fear. At places like the airport here, a lot of folks wearing masks to try to protect themselves. But doctors say you should really pay attention, at least for now, to the common flu. The fear of the coronavirus is spreading like a wildfire.
Actually, my mask is from the wildfire. When I got one from my office, I couldn't find any mask in the area.
Sold out.
It's all sold out. That's really crazy.
Plenty of airline workers and passengers wearing masks, even for people not traveling to China. This woman is flying to Mexico City.
Just for my safety, right? I sort of scared since I'm in the airport.
Doctors say the coronavirus and the seasonal flu share some common symptoms, yet most people underestimate the flu, which kills thousands of people each year. Do you worry about the common flu?
No, because I'm not worried about the common flu because we have antidote.
It's a new virus. There's a lot we don't know about it. There's no treatment and there's no vaccine. So those 3 facts that I just mentioned is very different from influenza. We know a lot about influenza. There's a vaccine and there's treatment.
San Francisco health officer Dr. Tomas Aragon says people worry about the unknown. He reminds the public there are no confirmed coronavirus cases in the Bay Area, so nothing to fear.
We really want to prevent the introduction of the virus in our community.
So it's the new virus more deadly than the common flu? Aragon says it's just too early to compare them. The lack of information may partly be driving the hysteria.
I'm in a crowded space. I don't know where people are coming from, and I just want to be careful.
This traveler canceled her transfer flight that would have taken her to Hong Kong. Instead, she paid more for a different route to India.
It's better safe than sorry.
The doctor I interviewed says a mask may come in handy if there's an outbreak, but there's no outbreak here in the Bay Area right now, so it's really useless at this point. Now, CDC reports thousands of people die from the flu every year, so the advice is it's probably wise to get a flu shot over getting a mask. Live at SFO, I'm Da Lin, KPIX 5.
The epidemic has prompted Levi Strauss to close about half of its stores in China. Just a few months ago, Levi's opened its largest store in China in Wuhan. Now the San Francisco-based company expects to take a financial hit with these shutdowns. Sales in China account for about 3% of the company's revenue.
Well, pilots for American Airlines are suing to try and stop all of the company's flights to China. The pilots union is telling members to reject any assignments to fly there. So far, American has only suspended flights between LA and China starting next month.